Question number 21. A psychiatric nurse deals with a patient with delusion. She admits the patient fear as real to him and deals with him without punishing or approving his behavior. So which of the following nursing principle is used here? So 4 options we have. Option A, acceptance. Option B, reassurance. Option C, understanding, and option D, self-awareness. So acceptance is correct answer because delusion is a fixed अनशेकेबल बिलीफ ऑफ द पेशेंट. सो जो डिल्यूजन की कंडीशन है वो पेशेंट की एक फॉल्स अनशेकेबल बिलीफ की कंडीशन है. सो डेफिनेटली इन केस अगर पेशेंट को हम कन्विंस भी करेंगे, इन द एंड पेशेंट वुडंट एबल टू एक्सेप्ट द रियलिटी. सो दैट्स व्हाई नर्स इज यूजिंग हेयर द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस. Question number 22. A nurse is assigned to a patient who was identified with the positive symptoms of schizophrenia. So which of the following nursing diagnosis takes priority first? So option A, self-care deficit. Option B, altered family process. Option C, medication non-compliance. Or option D, disturbed thought process. So in schizophrenia, we have negative symptoms and positive symptoms. जो नेगेटिव सिम्टम होते हैं उनको हम फंडामेंटल सिम्टम्स भी बोलते हैं और पॉजिटिव सिम्टम्स को एक्सेसरी सिम्टम और बेसिक सिम्टम्स भी बोला जाता है. So in case of positive symptoms, we have hallucinations, disturb in attention, agitation, disorder of perceptions. So as per the symptom, first priority will be related to disturbed thought process. Question number 23. A nurse explained to a family member that some patient with schizophrenia who have specific symptoms show better prognosis than others. So what is the most likely symptoms? So option A, apathy. Option B, anhedonia. Option C, puberty of thought. And option D, auditory hallucination. So in case of apathy, anhedonia and puberty of thought, these all are the negative symptoms. बिकॉज हेलुसिनेशन और डिसऑर्डर ऑफ परसेप्शन जो जिसको हम बोलते हैं, तो पॉजिटिव जो स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया के सिम्टम्स की कैटेगरी में आता है. तो इसलिए इन केस अगर पेशेंट में पॉजिटिव सिम्टम है, सो ट्रीटमेंट आउटकम इज मच बेटर देन द नेगेटिव सिम्टम्स. Question number 24. A 16-year-old girl admitted to inpatient unit accompanied by her mother, who taught her to walk, and she looked very weak and held her head up with her hands. So she was diagnosed with anorexia nervosa. So what is the primary nursing diagnosis? Option A, risk for injury related to low potassium. Option B, body image disturbance related to obesity. Option C, imbalanced nutrition related to compulsive overeating. Option D, imbalanced nutrition related to restricted calorie intake. So anorexia nervosa we have is a kind of your eating disorder जिसमें पेशेंट न्यूट्रिएंट इनटेक को रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर देता है और उसकी एज सच बॉडी रिक्वायरमेंट की कंपेयर में पेशेंट कैन सफर फ्रॉम माल न्यूट्रिशन. दैट्स व्हाई इम्बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन रिलेटेड टू रिस्ट्रिक्टेड कैलोरी इनटेक इज करेक्ट आंसर. Question number 25. A 45-year-old woman present to the emergency room and reported that she has lost her husband due to the lung cancer 3 months ago. She believes that she has colon cancer despite of the negative result in repeated and extensive diagnostic tests. So which were negative? So what is the most likely diagnosis? Option A, pain disorder. Option B, hypochondriasis. Option C, depersonalization. And option D, body dysmorphic disorder. So here she is experiencing hypochondriasis because hypochondriasis is also known as illness anxiety disorder, where a person has excessive persistent worry about developing a serious illness despite of your normal medical results. So option D, hypochondriasis is correct answer. Question number 26. A nurse was assessing a newly admitted patient with a manic episode. So the nurse has identified that the patient has delusion. So what is the most likely type of delusion? Option A, control. Option B, jealousy. Option C, grandiose. Or option D, nihilistic. So option C, grandeur is correct answer because mania is a psychiatric condition जिसमें पेशेंट का abnormally elevated mood, energy और activity होती है. उसके साथ ही पेशेंट एक्सपीरियंस यूफोरिया, इरिटेबिलिटी, रेसिंग थॉट्स एंड रैपिड स्पीच और इवन ग्रेडियोसिटी प्रेजेंट होती है। बट मोस्ट कॉमनेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ डिल्यूशन जो हम मेनिया पेशेंट में देखते हैं वो डिल्यूशन ऑफ ग्रैंडियोर्स है, और जिसमें पेशेंट बिलीव करता है कि वो काफी वेल्दी, पावरफुल और फेमस है। Question number 27. A nurse was undertaking an emotional assessment for a 20-year-old single mother who was identified with a case of binge eating disorder. So which of the following emotional state does the patient struggle with? Option A, elation. Option B, apathy. Option C, euphoria. And option D, depression. So option D, depression is correct answer, because people with the binge eating disorder typically eat huge amount of the food at one time, especially your junk food, to reduce the stress and relieve the anxiety. So guilt and depression usually follow the binge eating disorder. Question number 28. Which of the following functions is regulated by serotonin? Option A, sleep. Option B, anger. Option C, aggression. Option D, movement. So serotonin एक important neurotransmitter है that carries the messages between the nerve cells, or which can regulate your mood, sleep, appetite, digestion, learning, memory, even impacting the blood clotting and bone health. So option A, sleep is correct answer. Question number 29. After a detailed assessment, the patient was diagnosed with a life-threatening illness. However, he refuses to admit he has an illness and insists that he is normal. So which defense mechanism explain his behavior? Option A, denial. Option B, projection. Option C, regression. Option D, reaction formation. So denial एक ऐसी state है where people unconsciously refuse to accept or acknowledge the painful reality to protect their ego from anxiety, stress or trauma. So that's why option A, denial is correct answer. Question number 30. A patient is brought to emergency department suffering from smoke inhalation. Upon assessment, a nurse observed that the patient is aggressive and confused. So which of the following is the most likely explanation? Option A, pain. Option B, mania. Option C, anxiety. And option D, hypoxia. So option D, hypoxia is correct answer, because these are the hypoxia symptoms the patient can experience. In addition to that, patient can experience some other symptoms such as dyspnea, tachypnea, poor judgment, cyanosis, headache and ataxia.